Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to create a Lloyds saving account. So make sure you watch till the very end, and this is actually very easy. All you need to do is head over to Google and search for Lloyds saving account and then click on the first website that comes up, and then you see at the top here it says open now. So we're going to click now, just like that. You also need to make sure that you're checking in with all of the details, like all of the requirements and everything. So let's head over and start the application. So it's asking if I'm already a customer. So let's say we are not. So we're going to click on no. But if you are, then you need to click on yes. Make sure you put in the information that is corresponding to you. And then you scroll down, it says that you'll need to be a UK resident and then over 16 years old. You need your address for the last 3 years and everything. So we're going to click on new to Lloyds Bank and click on apply now. So now you put in your details, so Mr. or Mrs., then full first name, and this should be similar to either your passport or like your ID, and then like your middle name if you have one, last name, and then date and everything, male, female. Then it's gonna ask you where you live, and then when did you move to this address, and then more about you, your nationality, your country of birth, your town or city of birth, and then countries in which you have tax residency and what is your employment status, and then put in your contact details over here, and then finally your marketing choice, like if you want to receive it by email, post, device messaging or anything, and then click on continue. Just fill out this form with all of your information and then verify everything, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.